What's going on, guys? It's Nicole Charnel here. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you what I do on a productive Sunday morning.
Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Before we get into it, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to hit 5K and I need your help. Also, follow me on Instagram. There I post healthy intentional living tips and more about my businesses. Now, back to the video.
So, not every Sunday do I have the energy to get up early before I have to go to church or go to work, but this Sunday I did, and I think I'm going to make it a routine. It's because I really love productive mornings and they really make me feel good about my day, getting things done throughout the rest of the day. Even if I'm going to church or I'm going to work, I still feel like I've got something done that day, and I don't feel like when I get home it's time for bed and I'm dead tired that I have to do something else because I wasn't productive. I'm just gonna show you what I did and hopefully encourage you to make a morning routine, whether it be for a Sunday or any other day of the week. Morning routines definitely help you, like I said, stay focused and feel good about what you've done in the day. This one is more productive because I definitely got a few things done that I wouldn't normally have gotten done if I didn't get up early and take the time and set aside the time to do so. Let's just begin by me getting out of bed. That's literally what I did. I got up. I usually have like some devotion time before I really get out of bed and get moving. So I like to sit down and spend some time, reading, journaling, all that, just really quiet time. I literally don't touch my phone. I still haven't touched my phone. So I've been up for 2 hours now and I'm about to leave to go to church and I still haven't touched my phone, cleared my notifications, nothing like that. It's just something that I've been doing recently and I really love it because I'm not stuck in my phone and thinking about my notifications or posting or whatever. So definitely something to keep my head clear in the morning, and I just go ahead and get out of bed. So then I am going to declutter my room. Clutter is definitely something that makes me anxious and makes me just worry about stuff I don't need to worry about and worry about my space in a sense. So I do like to declutter very often. I have a smaller room and I don't live in my own house. Literally my room is my stuff. I have to keep it very organized. I have to keep stuff in a normal spot, like this goes here, and it has to stay like that, or it just becomes cluttered and it just clutters my mind. My cluttered space clutters my mind, okay? So I just went ahead and decluttered my room, and then I started kind of assessing my laundry because I knew I wanted to do some laundry this morning, striving to get 2 loads of laundry done, and I actually did make it, but I was like, okay, at least want to try and get 1 load done. I feel like I do laundry fairly often, more often than normal people. Once again, because for one, I have a minimal wardrobe, so I need to just wash my stuff more frequently because, for example, I only have 3 workout outfits, so I have to wwash my stuff a little more often than anybody else, but that's okay because a smaller load of laundry makes it easier for me to do it quickly. I went ahead and did some laundry and also picked out my clothes to go to church. So I picked out my clothes, laid them out, and then I also picked out my clothes for work. So on this particular day, I'm going to church first and then I go to work right after. So I need to take my clothes for work with me to church. So I set those clothes aside as well, did a little more decluttering, and then I'm ready for some self-care. Some me time, I consider anytime I do my skincare routine, do my hair, do my nails, do my face, it is a form of self-care for me. I'm taking the time, I'm sitting down, I'm assessing me and spending time with me. I consider it self-care, but literally I'm just going to get in the shower for the day. I went ahead and got in the shower and then did my skincare routine. Like I said, skincare is super important to me right now, and it has been ever since the whole mask situation that came about. COVID kind of makes us wear masks every day, so my skin was already problematic. So having to have a mask on it every single day, I definitely was suffering from maskne is what they call it. Acne caused by my mask, caused by all the humidity under my mask and all the breathing and all the hot air. So I had to really pay attention to my skin, and because of that, I created a really good routine and kept my skin clear, to the point that I don't have to wear foundation anymore. That is just amazing for me. I love that for me, okay? I just love the fact that I don't have to wear foundation if I don't want to, and most of the time I don't want to anymore. Like, I just free face and clear face. Like, I really love it. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying this time. So I just went ahead and did my skincare routine. Or in the morning, I pretty much just wash my face again, tone, and then moisturize my face. And then of course I put on sunscreen when I get to my makeup. But it's pretty simple, and I keep it simple, and my skin loves me for it, okay? It's blessing me. It's blessing me. Next, I move on to my hair. I did my hair last night, so I had to take out like all my little clips and everything after my retwist. So I took out my clips and then just did my hair in this cute little low bun. It's cute, if I do say so myself. I kind of really am loving it, really digging it. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm interested to see how it's going to work when I go to work, to see if I can put my hat. Like, if it's too high, it might be too high for my hat. But if not, I'll just wear a hairnet. It'll be fine. And then I did my makeup. So, or I think I did the reverse. I think I did my makeup first. But anyway, so once again, my makeup routine, super simple. I do my eyebrows, and then I do my mascara. That's it. And I put on sunscreen. Like, I don't put anything else on my face. So no foundation, no concealer, nothing like that. I really, like I said, I really like keeping it simple. So that's what we doing around here. And also, I didn't put it in on any lipstick or anything like that. I might put a gloss on. I don't know. It's just that, once again, when putting my mask on, it just bothers me. It bothers me, like the lipstick getting inside my mask, and it like gets all over my face. And then I could take my mask off, and then I could have lipstick in my face and not know. Like, I don't like it. So I just don't wear it. I literally just wear Carmex on my lips, or like sometimes I wear gloss. In the process of me, like, you know, getting in the shower and stuff, I went ahead and got dressed, like halfway dressed after I got out of the shower. And then, you know, after I finished my hair and my makeup, I finished getting dressed. And I actually got to my second load of laundry this morning. See, this is what I'm talking about, productivity, okay? I love it. I just love feeling, it just makes me feel so good to be productive. And then I got things done. And then when I come home tonight, after I've been to church, worked a long day, dealt with my children, then I don't have to feel bad about getting right in the bed because I've done all these things in the morning. This is why getting up early is where it's at. After I did my second load of laundry, then I sat down for some planner and journaling time. So I've been trying to do my journaling at night, the night before the next day. So that way I wake up and it's already done, it's already on my mind, and I really just have to flip open my planner. But sometimes I don't get to it, so doing it in the morning is definitely still helpful, and it definitely still keeps me productive, but I still want to do it at night. But I always will open my planner in the morning to look at it. So if I have time, I will write in it, and I'll do some journaling, brain dumping, get stuff off my mind so I can move on with my day. Last thing I did was pack my lunch. So like I said, I'm going to work after church, so I had to pack food for later. So I did that, and then my lunch will be ready, and I don't have to worry about buying anything, and I don't have to think about what I'm gonna buy. I don't have to spend extra money because I have food, So definitely packing my lunch makes me feel more productive. Yeah, that is my productive morning. So now I'm literally about to leave, about to go ahead and go to church. It's really important for me to do things in the morning, just because sometimes in the afternoon I really don't have time. So if I get up a little bit earlier, an hour and a half before I have to leave, it just helps me later on down the road. So it's definitely something that I'm going to continue doing for sure. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. There will definitely be more videos like this on my channel about being productive and doing things to keep moving forward. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. And also make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos and if you want to see more of me. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you check out the other videos that I linked on the screen. And other than that, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
No, he wouldn't miss it.